When installing Nichiha architectural wall panels, you have the option to use one-piece or two-piece metal trim. In this video, we'll walk through how to install Nichiha's two-piece trim system. The process is similar in all applications, the only difference is the shape of the trim profile. Available options include the J-mold, H-mold, and termination cap. Special order trims include a corner key, designed but not limited to vertical installation, compression joint flashing, designed but not limited to modular or in-factory applications, and deep J-mold for installations using 7/8" furring. Before any panels are installed, start by measuring the length you'll need for the base plate pieces and cut it to size. Next, measure and mark your fastener locations, spaced every 16 inches along the base. Pre-drill the holes for the fasteners, then position the base on the wall. For J-mold and termination cap installations, maintain a minimum 1/8" gap between the base plate and any termination point, such as soffits, windows, or doors. Once the base is secured, install your panels, following standard Nichiha installation practices. Both the J-mold and termination cap base plates are designed with an integrated panel stop plate. When installing panels, ensure moderate contact with this stop plate for proper alignment. To install around windows, install the J-mold along the vertical sides, while the termination cap is used at the bottom. The termination cap conceals the face fasteners required at the window's base. For a continuous reveal from J-mold to termination cap, trim the back side of the J-mold at the bottom corner. To install the face trim, start at one side of the base plate and work along its length. Use a rubber mallet, with or without a tapping block, to gently seat the face securely and evenly into place. The termination cap is also used at transitions from wall panels to soffits. Position the base plate 1/8" below the soffit. Install panels up to the plate with required fastening, and then snap the face trim into place using the same tapping method. The two-piece H-mold can be used in place of a double-flange sealant backer at an 18/18 expansion joint, providing a sealant-free installation option. Install the base plate, ensuring it is straight and properly fastened every 16 inches. When placing panels, maintain moderate contact with the base plate while keeping panel edges aligned so they do not obstruct the base channel. Once the panels are installed, begin at one end of the base plate and gently tap the face trim into place with a rubber mallet and/or tapping block. Confirm that the face trim seats securely and evenly across the full length. The Nichiha two-piece trim system ensures a durable, efficient installation with concealed fasteners, consistent reveals, and a caulk-free installation, helping you save time and money. For more information about Nichiha's architectural wall panels, visit nichiha.com.